Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Xero detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Xero's website. Press the enter key. You will be directed to the Xero homepage. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see multiple login options. Choose between Xero Business or Xero Tax based on your needs. If you are logging in for the first time, enter your email address. Next, input your password in the designated field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you have entered your email and password, click on the Login button. If you have enabled two-step authentication, you will need to enter the code sent to your device. After entering the code, click on the Verify button. You will now be logged into your Xero account. The dashboard will appear, displaying your financial information. From here, you can navigate through various features of Xero. If you experience any issues logging in, check your internet connection. You can also clear your browser's cache and cookies. If problems persist, consider contacting Xero support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.